swim for it.
How deep is it? I didn't bring my life jacket.
I don't know, but if it's too shallow, we'll break our necks anyway.
Hang on to me.
Okay.
No, I'm not married, but I'm a police officer.
Application denied. I'm sorry.
I cannot authorize that. Over.
Counselors, what's the legal perspective? Over.
In this state, I would litigate with extreme confidence.
I concur.
Open with Article 15 of the Codes of Civic Jurisdiction.
No party, under any circumstances, shall be denied due and proper consideration without prejudice in perpetuity.
On 3 again.
Wait. Just in case this is a suicide or they capture us and we never see each other again anymore, I just want to say thank you for marrying me. I'm glad I got to know you, Susie.
I think you've still got lightning in you.
Let's jump.
No! God damn it! Tell him, over.
Captain Sharp is offering to assume the responsibility of foster parenthood.
He wants you to live with him!
Is this acceptable to you, Mr. Shukovsky?
What do you think, pal? Coming down. Over and out.
Coming down! Over and
Don't let go.